Previously on Lifetime Travel Mates.
We were back in Hanoi and explored the streets looking for some nice local food. We visited the Vietnamese Women's Museum and we loved it. We also went to the Temple of Literature and enjoyed some night walks around the old quarter. Then we took a train to Haiphong and from there a speedboat took us to Cat Ba Island. We arrived at the hotel! Island and finally sunny!
Oh
my God,
yeah,
it's
so
waiting
sunny,
for
so
us.
warm.
This kind of weather so long.
Nice views. And we're gonna check now some of the tour companies here to get some tour, some kayaking or something. Many travelers visit Halong Bay with 1 or 2 days tours departing from Hanoi. It's a good option when you don't have much time and want to see the famous Halong Bay. But many locals recommended us that if we had time, better stay at Cat Ba Island a few days and enjoy not only Halong Bay, but also the big island too.
When we arrived, we found something we truly didn't expect. It was very touristy. Hundreds of tourists at Halong Bay as a must-see destination in Vietnam. And the island reflected. Lots of hotels, restaurants by the sea, bars, street food carts, and souvenir shops. But coming after those cold days in the Ha Giang Loop, we really loved some sun and sea.
All these floating restaurants with fresh seafood, we guess. Let's see that boat going around, taking you to the restaurants. Do we see people there? I'm not sure. But that's very important, the phone number. The first day we relaxed and surprisingly we bumped into our friend Moira, the one we met in Ha Giang. It was a pleasant surprise and we had dinner together to catch up and enjoyed some beers talking travel stories.
We're in a boat tour around Cat Ba Island.
These are all fishermen, fisher village, if you can call it like that.
We stopped for a while at one of those fishing villages and borrowed a kayak to explore some of the surroundings.
We just saw a monkey. Let's try to see them again. So, a monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
And look at this monkey right here.
After seeing some monkeys, we continued our trip. It was sunny and we stopped for a while to swim near some tiny beach.
We took a small boat and went to Monkey Island. On the island there was a peak that we could climb to get some amazing views of our surroundings.
There are many monkeys on the island, but sadly they became some kind of attraction for human visitors. Those macaques were introduced for tourism. We felt sorry for them, but at the same time we could not stop watching them. They are such interesting animals.
Thanks for watching this video.
If you like this video, click like, leave a comment, and support us by subscribing to our channel and activate notifications.
Visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram, and read our stories and travel articles on our blog.